Hi everyone, I'm Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have got the fourth tense. This lecture will be divided into two parts. The first one will be the tense and second one we will be discussing the usages. So let's discuss the first part, that is the tense. The present continuous tense usage. We use this tense for those actions which are going on at the time of speaking. We have got the important points. The first one is verb. In this tense we will be using first form of the verb with ing. Helping verbs, we have got three helping verbs: is, are and am. Where you are going to use is used with he, she, it and singular names. Are is used with you, we, they and plural names, and am is used with only I. As usual we have got five formulas. The first one is known as simple sentences. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple statement. Formula for them: subject, helping verb, first form of the verb with ing, object and full stop. Example: they are attending the class, I am washing the car. Negative sentences, the second one, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement or refuse the statement. Formula: subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form with ing plus object and full stop. Example: they are not attending the class, I am not washing the car. Interrogative sentences, the third one, those sentences in which we ask questions or put queries. Formula for them: helping verb plus subject plus first form with ing, object, and at the end you will be putting question mark. Are they not attending the class? Am I okay? Are they attending the class? Am I washing the clothes? Fourth one we have got, that is known as formal sentences. Complete name, negative, interrogative, formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, in a polite way, in a respective way, or we use it with our elders or senior. Example: are they not attending the class? Am I not washing the car? Informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way, in a friendly atmosphere, and we use it with those whom we are free with. Formula is helping verb plus not, they will come together, then subject plus first form with ing, object and question mark. Example: aren't they attending the class? Aren't I washing the car? Now keep in your mind we have got three helping verbs. Number one is, second is are, and third is am. Is, are, am. When you are going to make the informal sentences, you will be changing them into contracted or short form. Is not is, isn't. Are not is, aren't. And am not is also. Spelling will be same, pronunciation will be changed. So how you are going to change them into short form? Is changed into isn't, are not into aren't, am not into ain't. Most of the students, they write am not in this way. They say in written, they say am, in spoken they say amn't, or sometimes they say ain't. But keep in your mind, the short form is not written in this way. Is not will be written in this way, isn't. Are not will be aren't. Am not will be ain't. So what you are going to, how you are going to pronounce them? Isn't, aren't, ain't. Isn't, aren't, ain't. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Am not, ain't. Isn't, aren't, ain't. So this was the tense. Hope you got. Let's little bit practice. As visual, corner verbs we have got five verbs. We will be making sentences of these. Previous three tenses we were having 15 formulas. Today we will be having 5 more. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. We'll be practicing 20 sentences. As usual, I tell you people, practice makes a man perfect. Most of the students, they ask, sir, why do we forget the tenses? I said that is lack of practice. If you keep practicing, you will never forget them. So let's begin the practice. The first verb is abuse. You abuse him, you do not abuse him. Do you abuse him? Do you not abuse him? Don't you abuse him? You abused him, you did not abuse him. Did you abuse him? Did you not abuse him? Didn't you abuse him? You will abuse him, you will not abuse him. You will abuse him. If you will abuse him, you will not abuse him, will you abuse him, will you not abuse him, won't you abuse him, you are abusing him, you are not abusing him, are you abusing him, are you not abusing him, or aren't you abusing him. Next we have got accuse. He accuses me, he does not accuse me, does he accuse me, does he not accuse me, doesn't he accuse me, he accused me, he did not accuse me, did he accuse me, did he not accuse me, didn't he accuse me, he will accuse me, he will not accuse me, will he accuse me, will he not accuse me, won't he accuse me, he is accusing me, he is not accusing me, is he accusing me, is he not accusing me, isn't he accusing me. And the third one, amuse. I amuse him, I do not amuse him, do I amuse him, do I not amuse him, don't I amuse him, I amused him, I did not amuse him, did I amuse him, did I not amuse him, didn't I amuse him, I will amuse him, I will not amuse him, will I amuse him, will I not amuse him, won't I amuse him, I'm amusing him, I'm not amusing him, am I amusing him, am I not amusing him, ain't I amusing him. He refuses you, he does not refuse you, does he refuse you, does he not refuse you, doesn't he refuse you, he refused you, he did not refuse you, did he refuse you, did he not refuse you, didn't he refuse you, he will refuse you, he will not refuse you, will he refuse you, will he not refuse you, won't he refuse you, he is refusing you, he is not refusing you, is he refusing you, is he not refusing you, isn't he refusing you. And last word is diffuse. She diffused the bomb, she does not diffuse the bomb, she diffuses the bomb, she does not diffuse the bomb, does she diffuse the bomb, does she not diffuse the bomb, doesn't she diffuse the bomb, she diffused the bomb, she did not diffuse the bomb, did she diffuse the bomb, did she not diffuse the bomb, didn't she diffuse the bomb, she will diffuse the bomb, she will not diffuse the bomb, will she diffuse the bomb, will she not diffuse the bomb, won't she diffuse the bomb, she is diffusing the bomb, she is not diffusing the bomb, is she diffusing the bomb, is she not diffusing the bomb, isn't she diffusing the bomb. Hope you got today's lecture, wish you best of luck, see you next time.